Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our arcade level 1, third catalogs, second lab, that is creating a persistent disk. Okay, before starting the solution, I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of each and every previous lab and that you can access by simply clicking on the I button of the video. जैसे आप वीडियो के आई बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे आपको सारे लैब के सॉल्यूशन मिल जाएंगे. इवन आई created a dedicated video on how you can actually claim your first skill badge. All the links will be in the description box, so you can easily access this. Now simply without wasting time, start this lab, click on this and wait for the page to be loaded up. Once the page get loaded, simply click on the start lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. And these credentials are required to log in into Google Cloud Console. That's why it's important. So wait for the credentials to be loaded. Now simply right click upon open Google Cloud Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain issues. So incognito mode में इसे open करना है and you know that the email ID will be automatically pasted up. Simply we need to click on the next button. Email ID paste होके आती है. Now we need the password. So for the password we need to switch back to the lab and copy the password from here. Here is the password. We need to copy it. Come back to console, paste the password here, click on the next button and we get logged in into our Google Cloud Console. First of all we need to accept this message. Click on the I understand button. After that we need to accept some terms and conditions. So wait for the pop-up to arise of the terms and conditions, then we continue. So once the page get loaded, you will see up terms of conditions. So we need to click on this checkbox, click on the agree and continue. Now we are done with the basic steps. So first of all, we need to activate our Cloud Shell button now. So click on this activate Cloud Shell button and it will synchronize the activate or the Cloud Shell. So wait for the terminal to be loaded up. While it's executing, simply come back to the lab. What you need to do, click on this task number 1, scroll up a little bit and under this set the region zone, we need to copy these commands. So first of all, copy this command, come back to the terminal. It is still synchronizing. Click on the continue button. Wait for it to get established the connection. Click on this got it button. Now we are in our terminal, so we are good to go. Paste the command that we just copied, paste it here, hit enter button. It will ask for the authorization. Click on the authorize button. Now simply come back to the lab once again, copy the second command, come back to here, wait for this command to get execute. After that paste the next command, hit enter button. Now simply come back to the lab once again, copy the command, come back to the console, paste it here, hit enter button. Now come back to the console or the lab, scroll down from the task number 1. We need to copy this first command, come back to here, paste the command here, hit enter button and we are good to go. Wait for this command to get execute. जैसे ये command execute हो जाएगा हमारा task 1 भी complete हो जाएगा. Okay, so wait for this to get execute. It will take around 20 to 30 seconds. So once this command get execute, simply come back to the lab, click on this check my progress and you will get the green tick for the task number 1. It's as easy as it is. Okay, so now scroll down from the task number 2, copy this command, come back to here, paste the command here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get execute. So now the command is executed. Simply come back to the lab, scroll down, click on the check my progress. You will get the green tick for this task also. Wait for a couple of seconds. You can see we get the green tick. Scroll down and from here we need to copy this command. So once you copied this command from the third task, come back to here, paste the command here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get execute. It will take a couple of seconds. So once this command get execute, come back to here, scroll down a little bit, copy this command. It will, and this command will take us to the SSH shell. Okay, so come back to here, paste the command here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get execute. It will ask you for the permission. So from here you need to type capital Y from the keyboard and hit enter button. Okay, and it will ask you to enter some phrase or passphrase. Okay, so here you need to type enter 2 times. आपको enter press करना है 2 times continuously. Okay, hit enter, again hit enter and you are in your SSH shell. It will take a couple of seconds. Wait for it to synchronize the connection. And you can see we are under our SSH shell. Okay, now what you need to do, once you are done with this, come back to here, scroll down a little bit, keep scrolling, we can skip this command, scroll down, keep scrolling, and from this formatting and mounting the persistent disk, we need to copy this first command, sudo mk directory, to create a directory, paste it here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get execute. Simply come back to here, copy this command, come back to here, paste it here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get execute. While it's executing, simply come back to here, scroll down a little bit, copy this command, come back to here, paste the command here, hit enter button, wait for this command to get execute. Simply come back to the lab, copy this first command, and once you copy and paste this command, the sudo nano command, it will create a new file or open a text editor for you. Okay, so let me paste it and hit enter button. Basically what it do, the terminal will get changes to the editor. Okay, so don't panic if the terminal look like this. Now here what you need to do, you need to simply remove these 2 lines. आपको ये जो 2 lines हैं remove करनी है with the help of your keyboard. So use the arrow keys to navigate to the end of the lines and start removing all the paragraph or the whole thing. Okay, so remove it one by one, or actually remove it very carefully. Don't remove any extra thing. Let me remove it. Keep removing. Once you remove everything, simply come back to here and copy the, scroll down. First of all you need to copy the let me check where it is. Now from here we need to copy this whole thing from the line number 2nd to the line number 4th. You need to copy everything here. Copy it very carefully. आपको first line copy नहीं करनी है, बाकी सारी line copy करनी है. Once you copied it, simply come back to here, paste it under here, and now to save it, what you need to do? Listen very carefully. You need to simply first of all press Control plus X, then hit Y and hit Enter button. Okay, Control plus X, then Y, then Enter. Once you are done with this, you will see your terminal will be back to the normal. Okay, now come back to here, scroll down a little bit, click on the check my progress, and you will get the green tick for the task number 3 also. Wait for a couple of seconds, you will get the green tick for sure. You can see we get the green tick. Now scroll down. Yes, we are done with this. We don't need to do anything else. Congratulations, your lab is now completed. You can click on the end lab button, click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give. Also, you leave any additional comment if you want. Click on the submit. Come back to main page to verify whether we get the green tick or not. Main page पे आएंगे चेक करने के लिए कि green tick मिला या नहीं. So scroll down करेंगे, keep scrolling, open this catalog, and you can see we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. Okay, so this is the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.